Tired of repetitive tasks and inefficient workflows? Visual Studio Code, with its vast ecosystem of extensions, can revolutionize your coding experience. In this video, we'll dive into the best extensions that every programmer should know. By searching up for Live Server in the Extension tab in Visual Studio. It is a must-have extension for web developers. It instantly reloads your browser whenever you save changes to your code, eliminating the need for manual refreshes. Ever wished your code could express its frustration when you make a mistake? The in-your-face extension does just that. It displays humorous ouch faces based on the number of errors in your code. IntelliSense provides intelligent code completion suggestions, making your coding faster and more accurate. If you find this video informative and interesting, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this.